Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are back with the E36 M3 and we have lots of things to do today. Lots of things on the list I want to take care of. I'm waiting for some stuff from ECS that is not here yet, but we do have some things that we can tackle today. The biggest thing I want to do today is restore all the trim on the E36. The bumpers, the doors, I'll try and get the handles too. And then pretty soon I want to restore and order new weather stripping for all my windows, but that's pretty pricey. Anyways, we have a lot to cross off on the list today, but I think we can knock it out. It's not that much stuff, but it's a lot of little things here and there that I want to take care of to make the car just that much better. So I'm considering doing a sticker drop for 300 subs, like a really limited amount of stickers. So if you guys are interested, DM me on Instagram. I'll put it right here. So if you guys are interested in picking up a sticker, or at least DM me or drop a comment and let me know if you buy a sticker. I just need to gauge the interest in how many I would order, because I wouldn't be making any money off this. Obviously, this would be hopefully for me to just break even, or even if I have to lose a little bit of money, it would be cool to produce some stickers, maybe some key tags. I don't think anybody's gonna buy a shirt yet. I would do, I'm just really excited. I want to do purple key tags in celebration for the E36 M3, and if I do end up making any money on it, it'll go right to the car and right into videos for you guys. Alright, I just finished putting these back in, but if you guys are E36 owners, or if you've had any BMW, I believe all their housings work like this. It's basically the housing for the bulb connects to one big circuit, so they have to be 100% flush. If not, it'll set off your check control, and they also won't work. So this one was bad and this one was bad. They just weren't clipped in right. So it makes it a lot easier to just pull it out. It's only 4 bolts. It makes it way easier, way faster, instead of struggling in the trunk to figure it out. Alright, now we got both blinkers working, so we can call this one done. Now, the next order of business I want to tackle is this trim. I'm going to show you what we're going to be using today, and I promise you it is better than anything you've ever used. I found out about this through Cole when we did it on my E36, my blue-green one, that one, the stance one on Raceland. So, yeah, we're going to do the trim on this car right now. I'm going to start popping it all off, and then I'll show you what we're using. Alright guys, so what we're going to be using today for our trim is going to be Solution Finish. Now, this is a really good product. It's not too expensive. I believe this whole bottle is like 30 bucks, but 12-ounce bottle, you really don't have to use much of this to make a little goes a long way. So realistically, this bottle is going to be plenty for this car. We shouldn't need any more than this. We'll probably have a lot left over. Anyways, if I'm being honest, everything else I've used has not worked. The difference between this and why this is a good trim restore is because it's actually like dye. So it's not just like Mother's Back to Black bullshit, because that stuff looks good for like a couple weeks, then it goes away. This, however, is the good stuff. So, again, I'll put a link down to it below if you guys are interested, because this is something that I feel like not everybody uses, but definitely should. Alright guys, so we are going to be doing this in sections. I'm going to do the front bumper, then the sides. Anyways, we got these off, so I'm going to just start with using the Back to Black, and I'll show you guys how to do it. Alright guys, as you can see, we got the trim piece here. It's a really easy process. What you want to do is basically scrub this, wipe it down first, get it clean, maybe take a brush and get all the dirt off of it, or whatever is on there. You just want to agitate it enough to get any of this surface crap off. Now we'll wipe this dry, make sure it's dry. Yeah, again, this trim is very faded. It's going to look so much better when it is restored. I don't know how well it shows up on video. The sun's not hitting it, so you guys can't really see it. But now to apply this, just take a microfiber. This isn't necessarily as thick as you would need or you want, because this stuff does stain skin, so I guess wear gloves, but as long as you wash it off, you'll be fine. Alright guys, so I figured this is a pretty good representation of how this stuff works. I know this is metal, but this is very faded. If you look at this, it's shiny brand new, and that's after it's technically cured. It takes around 4 hours for it to fully cure, and I need to wipe a little bit more of this. But then, when this is ready to go on the car, you know, it should hold and retain this look that it has now that, you know, it just looks new, it looks clean. Alright, check out that trim. It looks really, really good. Let's head around to the back here. It's still scuffed, obviously. This is just temporary. I might buy new trim, and this bumper needs a respray, but I also took advantage of the solution finish and did the door handles as well. I couldn't get all the way in there. I'm sure I could if I really tried, but just a temporary fix, so.
1 hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Okay, so quick couple of things. I don't know if this is going to be included in the trim restoration video. I don't know, but I haven't edited that video and I don't know how long it is. Also, there's a real yappy dog, so if you hear it barking in the background, I don't know. It's not my dog. Dog needs to shut the fuck up. Anyways, I did take the M3 to its first car meet the other night, and it was about, I guess it was, what was it, like maybe 40 miles there and back. Maybe it's not that much. I don't know. Anyways, the car did really well. With the exception of two things. One was that the check control came on again because of the blinker that I thought I previously saw, so I want to dive into that maybe today. It's not on my list just because I already fucked with it, and now I'm kind of tired of doing it. I'm going to have to do it again to make sure it's dialed, but as soon as I replaced that blinker, a license plate light went out, and it says my brake light was out, but my brake lights work. I don't know, my whole check control unit is being funky. In the wind is insane right now, so this is why I wasn't considering filming today, but I figured let's just document everything. If you guys want to see the video, just watch it. Otherwise, don't watch it. I don't know what to tell you. So basically, also the ABS light has been on intermittently, and it's been coming back more frequently, but I need to figure out that ABS light because it's annoying to have pop up randomly. I think it may be a sensor on one of the wheels. I will dive into that later because it doesn't affect the drivability of the car right now, so I'm not too concerned. And on top of that news, we have some stuff from ECS that came in today, or actually it came in a few days ago. I haven't put any of it on the car yet. I was waiting for a day that wasn't so hot. It is still about 90 here, but at least we have a breeze, so whatever. I'm going to jack the car up today, and I got a bumper grill. I got like a little badge to go on my key to replace the BMW one. It was like really expensive. I got brand new floor mats, OEM BMW M3 mats. And more shifter parts because I'm building up my arsenal of shifter stuff, because when that day comes I want to be able to replace everything. I'm talking the linkage, like even that rubber insulation boot or whatever that goes in the trans tunnel, along with all the bushings and the washers so I don't miss a beat. I'm also going to get transmission fluid so we can service this transmission. I need a coolant temp sensor or expansion tank sensor. There's a lot that I need to cross off the list, and I have to do it in big heats of spending money because I can't just dump all my money. I gotta wait for my paycheck. So things are moving smoothly, but there is a lot that has to get done on this car, and it is I'm very excited because most of it is stuff that's relatively easy, and even the more complicated stuff I'm excited to do because that only means that the car is going to get better. You can see that goes on the key. We have OEM M3 floor mats that I'm sure I'm going to have to pull them out and let them sit for a second because they're all bundled up, so I'm sure they're going to... Here's what I was talking about, this insulation that goes for the trans tunnel. So we have that now. We can add it to our shifter project. And then here is what I was most excited for, but to be honest, I'm most disappointed about this. This is my bumper grill that I thought was going to be so much better quality because this is a $100 part. I forget who the company is. I'm going to put them right here. And I'm not trying to talk shit or bash on them yet because I haven't used this yet, but I just figured, you know, this, I guess, I don't know, but this is really expensive. What I can say is even if this fits perfect and it, I can't recommend that you buy this because this is ridiculous. No money spared on this car, hence this. So, I mean, $100. I still can't get over that. Anyways, I don't know that I'm gonna film a lot of the process, but I might just show you the finished product because none of this stuff is tutorial. You guys don't need a DIY. So let's get right to it. These are disgusting. They're beat. That's got like a shit stain. I don't know. So the mats get old like this and they start to like disintegrate. So all that black stuff on the carpet, I'm gonna be vacuuming out. So then I can put the fresh ones in. All right, guys. I put the easy up because it's way too hot. There's a good breeze, but it's way too hot. And the wind, sorry about the wind noise because it's gonna happen. Anyways, right here, let me see if I don't cast my shadow there. We have the new M3 floor mat. Oh my god, dude, the lighting is just atrocious. Alright guys, I just replaced the little BMW key roundels, what it's called. They look different sizes actually. That one just had more plastic. Anyways, it doesn't matter. Now the key looks new. I ran into an issue down here. I kind of expected it because this car didn't have a bumper grill and everything else about it was pretty good. So I just put the new one in. So you can see there's a big issue here. And that is because on the back where the grill actually attaches, there's little like pins that push out. So you're supposed to just line it up. And then I guess it's supposed to fasten to it. But I'm missing like 7 out of the 10 or however many there is. I only have 3 in total. So there's 1 here and there's 2 on this side. There should be 2 up top and I think 3 or something down here. So there's nothing holding this in down here. This side is held in by, I don't think you can see that, but they're the little wire crimp pieces, the twisty ones to put wires together. So I put those over because the diameter was the same, and you could just kind of twist them on, which made, you know, I didn't really think of that. I looked it up and somebody wrote that they did that, so I did it and it worked. Anyways, that is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos on this car. I have a playlist set up. I will drop it down in the description or it'll be right here or here, wherever the fuck it goes. Anyways, that's gonna be it for me. Hope you guys have a great day. Peace.